Oh, Canada! Mastering Canadian English Idiomatic Expressions. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going on a linguistic journey to the Great White North. We'll be exploring some of the most popular Canadian English idiomatic expressions and how you can use them in everyday conversations. So, grab your toque and let's dive right in. First things first, let's get familiar with some unique Canadian expressions. As we learn each one, we'll also understand their meanings and context of usage. A. This is a classic Canadian interjection often used to seek agreement or confirmation. For example, nice weather we're having. A. Loony and toonie. These are colloquial terms for the Canadian $1, loony, and $2, toonie, coins. Toque. This is a knitted winter hat, but Canadians will likely refer to any winter hat as a toque. Double-double. If someone orders a double-double at Tim Hortons, they're asking for a coffee with 2 creams and 2 sugars. Giver. This phrase means to do something with all your might or to give it your all. 24, a 24 is a case of 24 beers. Out for a rip, going out for a drive or a ride. Now that we're familiar with some expressions, let's put them to use in sentences. 1. Grab your toque, we're going out for a rip to the grocery store. It's chilly out, eh? 2. I was up late last night working on my project, going to need a double-double to keep me going today. 3. We're planning a party this weekend, so we'll need to pick up a couple of 2-4s. 4. The team really gave at the hockey game last night, didn't they? 5. Could you lend me a loony? I need to pay for parking. And there you have it. A crash course in Canadian English idiomatic expressions. Remember, mastering these expressions is not only about understanding Canadian culture but also about enriching your English language skills. So, don't be afraid to use these phrases when you're practicing your English or chatting with Canadian friends. Keep practicing, and you'll be sounding like a true Canadian in no time, eh? Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.